ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, everybody. So I ended up getting something that I found on either Hip to Save or Crazy Coupon Lady, which I think it was Hip to Save. And I've been seeing this in their feed for the last several months. And I'm like, you know what? We're just going to do it. We're just going to do it because sometimes there's some stuff that's too good to be true. And I'm just like, we're going to get it. So what I ended up getting is a mystery beauty bag. Now, it is by the brand Cream, but this is all stuff that she could use because she'll use this more than I will. So she wants to be in the video because she wants to see what we got. So I ended up getting this all for like 20 bucks. 20 bucks. And I'll show you guys. Give me 1 second, Charlotte. But it says it's by Avon. The address, return label says it's by Avon, but it's like hold on. Don't look. But it's like all like a mute thing. It's by like, the company's called LG Beauty. But I ended up getting, everything in this box was, I paid, well, it came out to be $26. I ended up using Beauty 20, and I got $5.20 off. So I paid $20.80. It said I saved $108.26. 20 cents, 108. So I know there's a Minnie Mouse travel pouch. I got the one in red, and then everything else is a mystery. So Charlotte, and I got this really fast. I ordered it like a couple days ago, and we got it super.
I don't like Mickey Mouse.
Okay, well here, let me finish opening it then, okay? Okay, so she's just standing next to me because I didn't want to block the box out. So let me just, hold on. So this is what I paid originally. So, okay, can you give me 1 second? Just hold on, let me share with everybody. So this is what I got for $20. It was this, and then it looks like I got the Belle eyeshadow palette. So this was $20, and then everything else I got inside was a free mystery gift. So the first thing Charlotte wants right away is we have a Minnie Mouse macaroon lip balm. So it is by, all this is by the Cream brand. So this is perfect for her. So there's only one of them in here, but they all have the prices. It says it's $0, but they do say the prices on here. So we have a lip balm, and Charlotte's obsessed with macaroons. Hold on, honey. Hold on. And, ooh, it's strawberry, I think. So there we go. You got your macaroon lip balm. You guys can't see her, but yeah. Oh, showing it to everybody. So this is a cute little Minnie Mouse bag. I think this is cute. I really like it. You like it?
I want a macaroon.
You want a macaroon?
Okay.
So this is the makeup bag that I got, and then it's just got a really cool air bubble in it. But I mean, this is a perfect like makeup bag for me. Perfect makeup bag for me or her. She took the macaroon with her. That's all she wanted was the macaroon. But for 20 bucks, I could not pass up a deal like this. So got a Minnie Mouse makeup bag, and then it did say I also got this included. So this is a Belle Enchanted Rose 9-color palette, and Belle is by far my favorite princess. She is. She's my favorite princess. So we have a nice eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love these colors. These are, oh, these are very pretty. So we have a mirror, and then these are the colors, if you guys can kind of see them. So very pretty. I love shimmery eyeshadow. So we got that. Ooh. The next thing I see are some Minnie Mouse refreshing gel eye masks. So these are for your eyes.
Could you send more? Can you get more?
That's Ben talking in the background. So we got some nice gel eye masks. It says refrigerate, or you can put them in the microwave, so you can have them warm or cold. That's what I need. That's what I need. So yes, we got that. Another thing we got is some Smooth Strolling Printed Essence Sheet Mask. There's only one of them in here? Really? Oh, there's 3 of them in here. There's 3 in here of these eye masks. So yes, goes all over your face. According to Mickey, he's got big eyes, so yeah. But that's really cool. We got some eye masks. We also have a nail file, crystal nail filing set, 2 glass files, and a travel case. So that's really cool. Little nail set. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, the next thing I see is some cream blush. This looks like it's Cinderella. Everything's like like 20 bucks for all this stuff. You can't go wrong. You never know what you're gonna get. Like they had it listed of everything that you see, but I didn't want to see. I wanted to be surprised. So yeah, if you guys do check it out, definitely like look. I think it was Hip to Save. They posted this deal a couple of days ago, but we have a cream blush. Why am I smelling it? I don't know. I've never used a liquid blush before, but I really like this case. Blush balm. Okay, got that going for it. And there's one more item in here. Yeah. It looks like there's supposed to be more stuff in here. Like it says a Mickey Mouse 3D plushie. A dome travel. I don't have no plushie. There's no plushie in here. Oh, never mind. It's this thing. It's this thing. So this is a 3D plushie sleep mask. I've been kind of wanting a sleep mask, but look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's kind of nice. I need something like that. But yes, that was everything that I got for 20 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. I lost my phone. But my phone had, I just heard my phone. My phone had all the details of it on there, and now I lost my phone. But yeah, 20 bucks for the macaroon lip balm. I got a mask. I got a nice carrying case. Now this comes in pink or black, or pink or red. The pink was sold out, but I'm okay with red because this is old G, you know, Minnie Mouse. So we got the Minnie Mouse travel size bag, and I kind of like this. Like I can use this for other things than just that. But yeah, for 20 bucks we got the, yeah, so it says,
Can you scan them in the sewing machine?
Okay, some of this just says it's like cream mystery shop product. So it doesn't even say it, just says that the prices are. But yeah, you guys can see right there. I paid $20.80 for everything. Free shipping. I just paid with PayPal, but I loving it. I thought this was gonna be more like girly girl stuff. This is like adult stuff. So the Mickey Mouse bag, the macaroon lip balm, the mask, the nail file. I got 3 masks that I definitely want to use. These eye masks, I'm really excited for the gel eye mask. We have the eyeshadow palette, we have the, you know, the balm, and then the macaroon. So all that stuff for 20 bucks, and I'm pretty excited. I've been outside today, so I got, like, my face is all red because it was windy outside. It's windy outside. But yes, if you guys are doing it, definitely go and look for it. If you guys have done this deal, I've heard people repeating this deal and doing it again. I'm only going to do this deal once because I just wanted to test it out. But I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.